Some bitches just getting out of their car. I thought I would do a little update. Why? Wait. I have been having an extreme amount of headaches. Hiccups, I mean. As well as insomnia. So I gotta fix that. God, you can really see all the... Oh, you can't zoom in on this one? You can really see all the hair particles that I need to shave. This looks disgusting. There's my stomach and there's my hiccup. Can I put my camera like this? Hands-free mode? Hell yeah, I can. This is probably the best way to do it, to be honest. And you know me. And you know me, I'm an honest person. Person who hiccups the next is gay. I guess I'm gay.